Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We've got May's Birchbox. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, so it's got butterflies on it. It matches my shower curtain. So let's take a look inside. So obviously it comes with your piece of paper. It says spread your wings. And let's see which 5 products we've got today. So I've got this lip liner. This is one of the ones where you can choose which colour you got. I chose Vintage Rose. I'll use that in a second. Seems like we've got lip balm. Doesn't need lip balm, you know, you don't want to walk around with dry lips. This is from Arrow. It's purple though, so don't know what that means. It says colour enhancing lip balm. It says don't be fooled by the purple tint. So it's formulated to adjust to your unique pH. It enhances your natural lip colour to create the perfect just for you hue, whilst mango seed butter hydrates and protects. Okay, so I'll use this and then I'll use this and then show you guys what it looks like. Looks like we've got another shampoo from Philip Kingsley. Okay, so it's not a shampoo, it's a pre-shampoo treatment. Can't really see it, can you? But yeah, little nice bottle there. So this says it's a pre-shampoo treatment which works with all hair types. It adds elasticity, hydration and shine whilst reducing breakage. Yeah, I guess I'll try that and let you guys know how it is. We've also got a sunscreen, so that's quite cute. You could like pop this in your handbag. This is from, I don't know how to pronounce it. It says Mimitica. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right. It's got SPF of 50, which is quite high. So obviously that defends against harmful rays. It says it's full of antioxidant vitamin E to deeply hydrate and further protect your skin. Oh, smells quite nice. So yeah, I might pop that in my handbag actually. And the last product looks like it's mascara. It says volumizing and lengthening mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. That sounds nice. Do you know what, I can never open these stuff. It's really annoying. Like, why make something if you can't open it? I wanted to smell it, but I don't think that's going to be happening. Oh, I actually hurt myself. I'm bleeding. Oops. That wasn't supposed to happen. So I got it open. Look, I'm bleeding. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Getting blood everywhere. You know, some mascaras like smell nice, so it doesn't smell bad. But yeah, I'll try that one and go out next. So yeah, so for this, let's see if we can give this a go with the lip liner. Easy to put on as usual. My finger's still bleeding. And then the lip liner. So it's quite pink. It's quite a cute colour actually. It does look quite nice if you can see. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the products this month, I guess. It looks like, look, it's like all these little cute things that you can just pop in your handbag, apart from the pre-shampoo. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe.